Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the coldest planet in the solar system. It is also unique in that it rotates on its side. The plane of Uranus' equator is titled to the plane of its orbit by an angle about 97.86 degrees. This means that Uranus rotates around its axis in the opposite direction to the rotation of all other planets in the solar system. The cause of this tilt is unknown. One possible explanation is that Uranus collided with another large object in the early history of the solar system. This collision could have caused Uranus' axis of rotation to shift. Uranus' axial tilt has a number of consequences. First, it means that the planet has no seasons in the same way that we know them on Earth. One season on Uranus lasts 42 years. Second, Uranus' axial tilt means that one part of the planet is always facing the Sun, while the other part is always facing away from the Sun. This leads to extreme temperature differences on Uranus. For example, temperatures at Uranus' poles can drop to minus 224 degrees Celsius, while temperatures at its equator can reach minus 195 degrees Celsius. Uranus' axial tilt also affects its atmosphere. Uranus' atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, with a small amount of methane and other gases. At Uranus' poles, the atmosphere is very thin, while at its equator it's much denser. This is because the temperatures at Uranus' poles are too cold for the atmosphere to be sustained. Uranus' axial tilt also affects its magnetosphere. A magnetosphere is the region of space in which a planet's magnetic field dominates. Uranus' magnetosphere is also tilted by 90 degrees to the plane of Uranus' orbit. This tilt means that Uranus' magnetic field is constantly interacting with the solar wind. This interaction can cause various phenomena, such as auroras and magnetic storms. Uranus is a unique and mysterious planet that continues to amaze scientists. Uranus' axial tilt is just one of many amazing features of this planet.